Hello everyone, this is the Railway Productions here with my video. Today I had recently got some stuff from my local, the Railroad Museum in Poplar Bluff, and so I usually just go to Poplar Bluff. Well, number one, just go over there to look inside the museum and whatever. Then I usually go down to the rail yard. So we're going to start off. And I should say, here's what I got from the museum. Starting off, we have a Tyco Sanfei GP20 shell. And you might be thinking, why do you need to use this for? Well, it's going to be a project, and I'm not going to say what it is exactly, but I can say what railroad it's going to be. It's going to be for Missouri Pacific. So yeah, they had some used, some junk stuff, and I bought it. So, yeah. But yeah, if you live around here, nearby Poplar Bluff or whatever, a couple of hours away, yeah, go to the museum. They mainly sell, like, brand new stuff. Usually they used to sell, like, some used stuff, but, people were complaining, saying that, it sounded like working or whatever. So, yeah, they stopped doing that, but some of the stuff is from their old layout. But, yeah. Next time, we got a Union Pacific 4-bay open-top hopper. Gonna be repainting this little fella, or upgrading it, or just weathering it. I don't know, but, yeah, so I got that. Next off, I got a Tyco Rock Island caboose without wheels and couplers. And it has heat damage, or whatever you guys call it. And I'm going to be using this for like a little wreck load. So yeah, decided to get that because I thought it was pretty cool. Then I got a Union Pacific P caboose. Now, if I'm right, one of the people who worked over there, told me that you can put this. The P means you can put anywhere on the train. So like it doesn't really matter. Has knuckle couplers but no wheels, but that's not a problem. I have some wheels I can put on. The frame needs to be glued back in a bit. It's kind of bulging out as you can see right here. But yeah, pretty cool looking caboose. I like Union Pacific, so I had to get it. I don't know what this liquid stuff that you're seeing right here is. Wonder. Then I got bags of some stuff. We'll take a look at this later. And finally, oh wait, no, never mind. I got some K number 58s. And, yeah. Wait, was I supposed to get 158s? Oops. Guess you didn't hear me, but oh well, knuckle couplers nonetheless. Doesn't really make a difference for me. And the final thing. Yeah, got an Atlas thing. You can see. Factory equipped with lock sound. Now, there was two things I wanted, and I'd make up my mind what I wanted. So, let's pull it out. Pretty fancy, too. Alright, well, lifting it up. And here's what I got. A Union Pacific GP40 DCC and sound equipped locomotive. So yeah, I got this. Thought it was pretty nice looking. So, that's how much it was, but I get a discount on the stuff, so yeah. Let's take it out of the box. However, when looking at the real life thing online, like not the model version of it, it says it's a GP38, but I could be wrong on it. But, so yeah. Number 503. This thing's beautiful. And we got the some of the detail parts we need for it. As you can see, like there's some holes right here and there. So yeah, I need to unscrew this thing because it's screwed down. Alright. So yeah, what I mean is by unscrew, if you guys know what I mean, there's screws right here to hold down the engine itself. Which honestly I think that's pretty cool that they do. So like let's say if you had something steel to try to take this off, but you really can't. I think it's not screwed enough for that one side, time to get the other side. And here we go. We got the engine in our hands. Got figurines inside this thing, which is pretty cool. I like the front too. This is awesome. So yeah, we're gonna put it on the track, and I'm gonna add the details on off camera. So I'll be back in a few minutes. May not be a few minutes, I don't know, but whatever. I'm back, and I'm not gonna put these on just yet. The little, forgot what those called, but I know it's for like rain and sun to go off. Alright, so got my NCE controller. Want to select locomotive, and the set factory decoder is 3. And I'm just making sure I do not have a DC engines on my track. So, alright, so I've set the 3. There we go. Cool. Yep, literally sounds like the real life thing. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to turn on the headlight. Ooh, that was cool. How that lights on, that's awesome. Alright, that's pretty sweet. Alright, let's see for the sound. Cool. Wait, this horn sounds very familiar. It sounds like one of the horns on Train's Driver 2. That's the train game that I'm playing. That's cool. There's the bell. That's coupling and uncoupling. Don't know what 4 does. 5, no idea what that does. 6, no 7, no 9. So let's dial again. That is awesome. I love this thing already. Let's get this thing set up. Sorry about that, folks. I had some technical difficulties, and I just realized what I was doing wrong. I had a console set up, and I had to delete the console, so hope this works now. Well, uh-oh. Sorry about that, folks. I guess I have some very track. So, video is not going to continue. Uh-oh. So yeah, my layout is still messy, but I will get it cleaned up soon. Yeah, I want to clean up my track just a bit for the shrink can run really good. Uh-oh. So if you guys like this video, probably don't like what the train kept on stopping. So yeah, I'm going to clean up the track. And so let's get back to what I was going to say. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. And oh, before I do forget, we will look through that bag. So let's hop on to where we were at. So I can show you my stuff. Alright, so let's get the stuff out of the bag so I can look at it. So starting off, we have this really nice sign, City Traction Company. It used to be glued onto something, as you can see right here. Got ourselves a little bumper and some pieces to a signal bridge, I can make myself an entire signal bridge out of this stuff too, so that's cool. Got a fence, a slow sign, little platform or a dock here. I think it's platform. We got a A&P billboard. We got a railroad crossing. Look out for the locomotive. 2 crossings. Part of that signal bridge, I do believe. Some telephone poles. Some lights. Some more telephone poles. A yard limit sign, which is something I've always wanted. Piece of the signal bridge. Some logs. Stop sign. And I don't know what that is. So that's what I got today. So see you folks in the next video. Goodbye.